Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make check-in evac on a Capcut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Capcut and then add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And after this, if you wanna add a check-in evac on a Capcut apps, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the clip, click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the animation at the bottom, and after this, in here you can click on the in, and then in here you can swipe until you can see a shake effect. In here you can see 1 until 3 a shake in effect, so you can choose the shake in that you wanted to add. And after this, in here you can set the duration for the shake effect. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to make shake effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.